everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing smoothies. So I'm pretty much going to be doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 3 days. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. So just sit back, get comfortable, and watch your girl work.
Keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it. You say it's a man thing.
Bro, so side note, that was chicken. That was chicken, dog. I did not realize until I was about to put it in the blender, bro. But you know, thank God I realized. I knew it looked a little funny, and I was like, "This ain't my bananas." So I had to switch them out with some bananas. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm switching them out, but yeah.
This is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you.
So obviously I'm putting 3 servings in of everything because I'm making 3 smoothies. You don't have to do that if you're just making like a simple smoothie for the day. Obviously I'm making it in bulk, so that's why I'm doing that.
Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen.
Also, just be mindful with the chia seeds because last time I put way too much chia seeds in my smoothie and it was like pudding. So if you don't like pudding type smoothies, dog, don't do it. Just heed the warning, okay? This part was so satisfying. It looked so good and like creamy, and I was like, it's gonna be so good, and it was. So this is my second smoothie, pretty much lunch. I did clean my strawberries, so do not come to me. I put a lot of strawberries in there because it's gonna be for 3 days, like I said before. But this one I did like. I liked this one as well as the first one. This one was pretty good. smoothie. I did like this one. I won't say it was like the best. I'd probably give it like a 6, 6.5. The only thing that I didn't like about it was kind of acidic. It wasn't like, oh my god, I can't drink this, but like it needed balancing. So if I was to go back and do it again, I'd probably put dates or prunes in it. So, you know, if you guys are interested in this one, I would suggest to put some sweetener to balance it out, whatever your preference is. But yeah, that's the only pushback I have about this one. But it was pretty good. I had it that night, like the extra that I had in the blender itself. I had the rest of it, and I put honey in it, and it wasn't terrible. So. If you guys made it this far in the video, you guys are a real one. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Comment some suggestions you guys have for me too when I'm like, you know, doing my smoothies and stuff, since I am new to this. But I did have fun doing this. I had fun filming, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.